How to use WhatsApp Web on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, all you gotta do is simply move into any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for web.whatsapp.com. It will land you on this website. Now, click on this three-dot icon. Scroll down and tap on Request Desktop Site. A different site will open. Continue to WhatsApp Web. Now, in order for you to log in into your WhatsApp Web, all you gotta do is open WhatsApp on your device. On Android, tap Menu, but if on iPhone, you need to tap on Settings. Tap on Link Devices and then click on Link Device. Scan the QR code given above. After that, you will be logged in into your WhatsApp Web account. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.